Hello, dear friends. In this video, I'll tell you about Bonk's new airdrop and how to get project tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'm trying to find dancing projects for you as soon as possible. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is amazing and rich, and you definitely shouldn't miss such events. So I'll briefly tell you what airdrop is and demonstrate the process of obtaining tokens using my own example. I will leave link to the official resource to participate in the description below the video. Bonk Airdrop is the distribution of 50 trillion Bonk tokens to the Solana community in order to revitalize the ecosystem. It was aimed at various Solana users, including NFT holders, traders, DeFi participants, tokens, and developers. Dollars. The aim of airdrop was to increase engagement and liquidity in the Solana network. Let's move on to getting tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens on your balance to meet the activity criteria. In my case, I have $5 400 worth of Solana tokens in my Trust wallet. Next, go to the official website bankmeme.com, which is specified in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect a wallet that is more active and interacts with the Solana network. Top up your crypto wallet. If you have any problems, write in the comments under the video and I will be happy to help you. Good luck to everyone.